In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can redeem your Chipotle gift card. So for those people who do not know Chipotle is a store in America. Basically, it's a restaurant in America which sells custom-made burrito, which means you can select whichever thing goes into your burrito. Alright, so let me show you guys how you guys can redeem its gift card. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's move on to the video, shall we? First step is you want to go to chipotle.com, and after you do that, you want to click on high gift. So in another word, you want to click on your username. After you do that, scroll a bit down and click on payment method. Once you click on payment method, under gift card, click on add a gift card. Once you click on add a gift card, you want to enter your gift card number over here. After you enter your gift card number over here, basically you want to click on add card. Once you click on add card, if the information or like the number you entered over here is correct, basically your gift card will be added over here. So that's basically how you guys can redeem your Chipotle gift card. Hope you guys were able to understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe with notification turned on to our channel. One step, and bye bye.